morning, everyone, team. Welcome back to the sessions. Let me start the session for today. Meanwhile, others can join parallelly. Just give me a second time. Let me admit all the people in the call for today. Right. So let me start the session, team. So as I mentioned to you already, so everyday session will be starting by sharp 8 o'clock. So I request everyone, please be on the session by sharp 8 o'clock, team. In the last session, on Friday and Saturday, we had demo classes on this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications, right? So in the last 2 days, that is on Friday and Saturday, that is February 27th and Feb 28th. We had demo sessions on this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. Let me quickly have a recap of the things that what we discussed, because Sunday came in between yesterday. Probably some of you might be having the discontinuity or something. So let me quickly recap what we have discussed in our Friday and Saturday sessions, team. And then we will start with our today's topic in the system. See, on the day one demo class on Friday, I have introduced to you what is this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications is about. Okay. And then I introduce it to you about myself, about TrioTech, and also the concepts like introduction to the ERP, because our Fusion application comes under ERP family. So we discussed about what is ERP, why companies will use these technologies in the market, and what are the different other ERP products we have in the market. That all we have seen, team. And also, before that, I have explained you what are the prerequisites. Like, do we have any prerequisites to learn this particular program? Or who are the participants who can choose this technology as your career? That all we discussed here, team. And then after introduction to ERP, I was explained you what is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application is about, why companies will use this application, for what purpose, right? And then we spoke about the Fusion application evolution path. I mean to say, when Oracle introduced this technology in the market, and prior to this, what are the previous applications available in the market, the entire background or history of the Fusion application we discussed here, team. And then I have introduced to you what are the different products under Fusion that currently we have in the market, and also types of companies involved in any software application in the market, team. Particularly, once you learn this technology, in what sort of companies you will be recruited and what work you will do, who is called as client or customer, who is service provider. These all details we discussed in our day one demo class, team. And also, I explained you why anyone should learn this course in 2026 compared to Workday, SAP, how today Oracle market is there. That we discussed it, team. Then I have quickly walked through some of the salary packages that currently companies offering in the market today in this domain. Then career opportunities, how the graph for next 10-15 years that you will be positioned in the market. Then the role of AI in this Oracle HCM Cloud, right, team? These all discussions we have in our day one. And also I introduce it to you what are the modules that we have in this entire Oracle HCM Cloud application, what comes under functional, what comes under technical, then what sort of roles in the market that are having high demand. functional consultant means what, technical means what, techno-functional means what, right team? Then what will be our program? This 3 months of end-to-end training on this Oracle HCM Cloud will be a techno-functional training, I told you. And then I introduced to you Oracle upgradation policy also. Every quarter when Oracle upgrading the application, how the versioning sequence Oracle following, right? These all things on our day one demo on Friday. That was on 27th February session we discussed it team. And then I also explained you what sort of packages currently offering in the market and all, and program features and all also we discussed it team. Some of the placement success stories I have introduced it to you. Then what will be the program daily, what support you will be getting, that all we discussed in our day one session. On day two, on 28th Feb, what we discussed it team? On day two, on 28th Feb, just a second. Some participant having issue with the Zoom link. Just a sec, team. All right, okay. On day two, we were talking about our Oracle's knowledge repository, like where in the internet we can go and we can access Oracle standard documentation team. Rather, it is an implementation guide or an admin guide, user guides, or every quarterly upgradation. Whenever Oracle upgrading the system every three months, the release notes document in this new upgrade, what new features Oracle bringing in the system. I told you that document also Oracle make available in the open source in the internet. So where we have to go and we can get that release notes documentation, that all we have seen on Saturday session team. And also I introduced to you Oracle certification process. So how in Fusion system certification concept will work, that all we discussed in our last session. And what will be the examination pattern, how you have to book your exam, what is the cost currently Oracle charging. These all we have discussed. And then I also introduced to you the Fusion HCM Cloud application. When any customer buy the product from Oracle, how the application will be delivered. Cloud-based technology means what, right? That all we discussed. And also, what are the different names that we can refer our Fusion application in the real world? That all I have told you in our last session team. Then customer to customer, when Oracle selling the product in the instance, what is the unique code that they will maintain? The 4-digit pod number will be unique, I told you team. So these all things we discussed in our last two classes. So the two demo sessions are done. From today, we are going to start with our regular classes team. So today, let me introduce to you the Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. How to log in into the system, and once you log in, what are the basic home screen functionalities we have in the system. So today's session is getting in touch with Oracle HCM Cloud application. How the application looks like, what are the basic home screen functionalities we have. Let us see team. And if time permits, I will start with our very first module in the system, that is security administration as well. So this will be the very first module that we are going to start as part of our training. Any batch, I will start with this only, because once you get into the real-time organizations also, this will be the very first module that you are going to work for. So we have to start our training also in the sequential order. The very first module I will start will be security. But before that, let me introduce to you the Oracle HCM Cloud applications team. How to log in into the system. Once you log in, what are the home screen functionalities we have in the system? Once you are familiar with this, then we can deep dive into the subject team. Okay. Now, as I told you, in order to log in into the Fusion application, whenever any company, for example, I have taken Tata Group. Tata Group want to use Oracle HCM Cloud in their day-to-day HR operations. So Tata bought the product from Oracle. How the application will be delivered to them, I told you, just in the form of this URL instance. Yes, you can take that browser URL here, copy paste in your Chrome. See, any browser you can use Team. Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Edge browser, Opera, anything. But Oracle suggested browser for their Oracle Fusion applications to work on is Firefox. We have the browsers, right? This is my Google Chrome. Like that, we have different browsers available in the market. I am more comfortable and habituated to Google Chrome. I will use Google only, but we have some issues using the Google Chrome team. Some glitches in the screen, some errors in the screens we encounter. But Firefox is what Oracle suggested browser for the Fusion applications to work on. Okay, so just copy paste that instance team in the internet. Sorry, there is a problem with the URL. It's got breakdown. Just this is the URL team. Just copy paste that URL in the internet. It will prompt you to sign in. In my application, in my Google Chrome, I am using this application already for other batches. So already I auto saved my password team. Generally, when you people try to log in or anyone want to log in team, when you pass that instance in your Google Chrome, it will prompt you to sign in. Like this, the page will come. Every one of you already got access to this Fusion application team. In our community on Saturday night, our team sent this application access. Please, you can also explore after the session our Fusion application, how to log in, what are the basic form skin functionalities and all. So people who joined lately to the community, because today midnight also we have some US people who confirmed their payments. Lately you joined in the community. Today again team will share. You can find that application access in the WhatsApp community. So once you copy paste that URL in any of your browser's team, this will be the sign in screen that will prompt you. Oracle Cloud sign in. Okay. So here you require user ID and password to log in into the Fusion system. Currently, I have one of the user ID. I'm just using that team, Curtis Fiati, or I have some other login by name, HCM IMPL 18, something I have. So we have to pass your user ID and password and you have to sign in. Now team, whenever you signing into the Fusion system, like every other applications available in the market, you take Gmail, you take Instagram team, or you take Facebook. Sometimes you people might be forgetting your passwords. So whenever you signing in, if you forgot your password, your account password, generally in our Gmail or in our Instagram, Facebook, what we will have team, forgot password button we have, correct? So when you click on forgot password to your registered email ID, you will get an email, reset link. Same applicable with Fusion application also. Whenever you are using the Fusion application, if you forgot your password team, when your account created in the system, okay, email ID might be given, not might be, will be given in the system. So if you choose forgot password button here, click on it team, forgot password. System will ask you to give the username details or the email address in the system what you have for your account. Pass your email ID, choose the options. If you forgot your username itself, select this and submit. System will send the username to this email ID. If you forgot the password team, select this forgot password button and submit. To this email ID, system will send the password reset link. Same like every other applications in our day-to-day life today, how we are using Gmail, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, same way Fusion applications also team. So whenever the employee forgot this user ID or password, he can choose forgot password button. Need help signing in also same only like forgot password only team. So whenever any user account created in the Fusion system, email ID will be given team. To that email ID, system will communicate. Password reset link forgot when you click on. That is about this forgot password and help signing in. Then team, Fusion applications are multi-language supported application. Means what team? See, in our mobile also, we have multi-language supportiveness today. If you want to use the mobile in your native language, in Hindi, if you want to use, you can change the language to Hindi. Entire mobile application, sorry, entire our mobile will come in Hindi, in Telugu, whatever the language we want, we can able to switch. Same way, Oracle Fusion applications are also multi-language supported applications team because Oracle having their customers across the world. It's not only related to US. They have their customers in Canada, Mexico, UK, Ireland, France, Germany, Italy, whatever the country you name. So, in order to give more localized experience to their customers, more regional touch to their experience team, Oracle upgraded their application with multi-language supportiveness. Means while you logging into the system with your account details only, in which language you want your application, you can select here team. Uh, Regional level, till that extent Oracle is not supporting. Means what team? In India, again Hindi, Telugu, Maratha, these level penetration not yet happened team in the language updation. Just the global languages, I mean to say country wise team, like French, Spanish, okay, Danish, Dutch, okay. Then we have German, Greek, okay, Hungarian, Italian, Japanese, Korean, okay, or Chinese, or Arabic, like this team, or Thai, Turkish, Ukrainian. These all languages are currently supported team. So while you are logging into the system only, if the user switch the language button here, let's say, if I want this in Arabic team, if I select this one, now see, screen is loading here. Application will change its look and feel. Now see, everything came in Arabic. Everything changed to Arabic team. Or if I want it in some other country language, let's say I want it in Japanese. Select Japanese here. The screen will update with Japanese language team here. So when you sign in into the system, the application will also be coming in the Japanese language. So while you logging into the system itself, you can decide in which language you want to use the application team. So that is what multi-language supportiveness by Oracle system. That's okay. I want it in English. So I give an English team. So I given my username, password, and I'm clicking on next button. Now I'll be entering into the Fusion HCM Cloud applications. This is the main home screen of our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications team. The look and feel of our application will be like this, like this. So what are these things, Kumar? First of all, a welcome message. Good morning, my name. So my username is HCM Implementation 18. That is coming team. The username will come. Good morning and my name. Then team, here we can see different options coming up here. What are they? We have sales, Redwood sales, service, me, my team, procurement. Different sections are there. And this tile, if you see, more option also there here. See, arrow pointing towards the right. If I click on it, the options will expand here. See, many options are there, team. The tile is moving here. If I come back, again, it will come back, team. See, what is this entire area? And when I select every area here, I have some section, my client group here. When I select that team, here I'm getting again sub options under that: hiring, candidate sourcing, journeys, new person, person spotlight, huh? Or if I go to me, then I have some sub options coming up. If I go to my team, under that I have some options. If I go to procurement, I have some sub options. What are these all things, team? See, in our home screen in the Fusion system, this entire area, whatever that I highlighted, team, this entire area, we call it as a springboard. What is that, team? This entire area, we call it as a springboard. Okay. And each section that we seeing here, my client group is one section, procurement is one section, my team is one section. Each section we call them as functional area in the system. This entire area we call it as springboard, and each section we call it as functional area team. And under each section, whatever the options we have, see, under my client groups, we have hiring, candidate sourcing, journeys, new person. We call them as sub-functional areas in the system. So this is a functional area. These are sub-functional areas in the system. And this entire area, we call it as springboard, right? And then, team, if you come to the left side top corner, three lines are there here, team. What is this, team, here? Navigator. What is this here? Navigator. So if you click on this navigator, team, a bar will open towards the right. So whatever the functional areas that we are seeing in the springboard, in the horizontal arrangement, these all are horizontally arranged, team. See, these all are. See, if I expand this, they are moving, scrolling towards the right, left, and all. These all are horizontally placed here. All these functional areas, whatever I'm seeing in the springboard, I can also see them in the navigator here. If I click on this, team, a bar will open towards the right. See, same things, sales, Redwood sales, service, me, my team, procurement, my client group, okay, help desk. See, whatever we have here, team, the same things we can see here. If I expand the navigator, I have sales, Redwood sales, service, me, my team, procurement, my client group. Then now see here, if I select my client group, I have a couple of options coming. Hiring, candidate sourcing, journeys, new person, person man. Same options you can see here, team. See, if I expand this, my client group, and if I expand this one, hiring, candidate sourcing, journeys, new person, person manage, functional area and sub-functional areas, team. Whatever you see in the springboard, you can even access them in the navigator area also. Just if you expand under that, whatever the sub-functional areas we have, that all you can check out, team, right? So this is about springboard and this is about navigator, team. Then what we can talk on the main home screen here, we have some icons here. What are all these things? Let us see, team. We have home button. What is this? Really, introduction is not required for this. In our mobile also, you be on any screen, team. You are using Instagram in your mobile or Facebook in your mobile. If you want to close it down and if you want to come to the main home screen of the mobile, what you will do? Just one click. You will click on home button. You will come to the main home screen. Same way in Fusion application also, whenever any user be on any screen in the system. For example, I'm going to some my client group, person management, some screen I'm going here, team, my client group and person management I came. So I'm just working on something. Now I want to close it and I want to come to the main home screen, team. Just you be on any screen, one click on this button, home button, screen will load. It will take me to the main home screen, team. It's not only person management, any screen you go. For example, my client group and I'm going to new person. Some screen I went here, team. Okay. If you want to come back to the main home screen, one click. So home button is that one. Wherever you be, if you want to come to the main home screen, you have to come to this home button in the system, team. Then we have star button here. What is this star button? Favorites and recent items button, that is. What do you mean by favorites, team? See, how many of you know this concept? I don't know. I mean to say, in our Google browsers also. Now I'm using my Google Chrome. Here, team, any website I want to save for future references, team. I have the bookmarking concept, correct? How many of you know this bookmarking concept? What is this bookmarking star button? This website, if you want to use for future purpose, team, you want to save it, you can just bookmark that. It will tag. So all these are my bookmarks, team, in my Google Chrome. Similarly, in Fusion system also, if any screens, any tasks that you frequently perform, you want to add them as your favorites, you can add them, team. I'll tell you with a scenario. For example, in your client company, you configured the entire system, you handed over the system to the client. So your client started using the application in their day-to-day life. One of the HR person is there. Every day, that HR person duty is what, team? Every day, once after coming to the office, whoever the newly recruited people are there, their records HR has to create in the system. One person is there by name Mr. Raju. Every day Raju duty is what? Once after logging in, he should come to the system and he should hire the people in the system team. Generally in Fusion system, if HR people want to hire the new employees, they will come to my client group and they will go to new person. And then here they will have a transaction by name hire an employee. HR people will come here team, hire an employee, and they will hire the employee records in the system. These all we will see in the later part detailedly. So one of my employee Raju daily duty is what, team? Every day, once after coming to the office, he should come to this hire an employee screen and he should perform the task. So Raju can add this transaction as a favorite in his login team. How? Be on the screen, be on the screen, come to that screen, go to star button, click on favorites here, click on add to favorites team. So here you can create a folder, something new folder, and I'm giving it as my daily routine tasks. I have given the folder name as my daily routine tasks. On folder I am creating team. In that I am adding this hire an employee, save and close. So this is one transaction Raju perform every day. Then also we have few more transactions Raju will perform. Again under my client group, Raju will come to person management. So this one also every day Raju will come. So even this screen also. Be on the screen, add to favorite. Okay. Under my daily routine tasks, save and close. So like this team, all your daily performable tasks in the system, you can add them in the favorites. The very next day, now Raju, when he log in into the system team, rather than going to my client group, new person, then picking a hire an employee task or going to my person management, simply Raju, if we come to the favorites button here team, his folder is there, my daily routine tasks. See that hire an employee in that search person came. Directly if Raju click on this team, it will take you to that screen, hire an employee screen. See, directly Raju came to this screen team. So whatever the daily usable tasks in the system are there, you can add them as your favorites team. So quickly you can come and you can perform that transactions directly from here team. So that is about favorites button listing out in the system. Then we have recent items. What is this name? In our Google Chrome also, last 1 hour, whatever the browsing I did in the system, if I want to check team, if I go here, we have somewhere history button coming up team, correct? History button. History means what team? What you have done, you can able to check out in the browser. Same way, Within the Fusion system also, whatever the recent screens that we navigated, we can check out here team in the favorites and recent items. Both it will have. This is favorites. Okay, here you can see your favorites. If you come to recent items, see just recently I came from hire an employee screen. Prior to that search person. Prior to that again hire an employee. So these are all my recent screens team which I have navigated with my user login. So that is a history button about the application usage of our account team. So home button we have seen, favorites and recents we understood team. Then we have here watch list, a flag coming team. What is this watch list? To be frank team, this topic is not related much to our HCM. In our day one demo session, okay, on last Friday, 27th February, in our demo session, I introduced to you this slide. What is this slide is about team? What I told you, see, we are learning about Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. This is our HR related software application. We are learning this tool. But under Oracle Fusion banner, Oracle offering multiple products in the market. See, this is very important. Every one of you should have clarity with this because day by day, by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you will get this question in your mind. So before only I'm telling you, or you should have this clarity at this beginning only. What is that? I'll tell you. See, under Fusion banner, okay, Oracle offering multiple products in the market team like Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. They have Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud for finance related activities to handle. They have Oracle Fusion SCM, Supply Chain Management Cloud. Then they have Oracle Fusion CRM, Customer Relationship Management Cloud. Then they have Oracle Fusion Procurement Cloud. Then they have Oracle Fusion Portfolio Management, PPM, Project Portfolio Management Cloud. Oracle CPQ Cloud for sales. For different business verticals to handle different products Oracle offering in the market team. Why, Kumar, you are telling all these things now? You already told us no. Why means now the question. Some of the participants from your every batch they will ask me, that is quite common thing. Even from your batch also on Saturday, a couple of people asked me this question in the office when I was there. They came, Kumar, we understood the demo, everything is fine, we are registering, but one doubt we have, Kumar. What is that? You mentioned that in Oracle Fusion, multiple products Oracle offering. So we are learning HCM, you are telling. Whatever the application that you have shown us, in the real time, if any client want to buy the product from Oracle, for HCM separate URL, for finance separate URL, for supply chain separate URL, Oracle will provide, or how? Let's suppose team today Tata Group reached Oracle. Tata want to purchase Oracle Fusion system. Not only for HCM team, Tata decided that for financial activities also they want to use Oracle Fusion only. For HCM, financial, supply chain, CRM, then for PPM projects, for everything, Tata decided that they want to use Oracle Fusion only. Now the question here to many of you team, whenever our client purchased the product from Oracle, for HCM separate application will be given, for financial separate application, for SCM separate application, for PPM separate application. No, all the applications will be licensed within the same environment, within the same application only. HCM, finance, supply chain, PPM, all the products will be delivered to the client. It's a one unified application team. So if every product different URLs Oracle will give, that doesn't looks good or doesn't be easy to handle by the client. So Oracle Fusion applications is a one unified solution to the customers who buying the product. All the applications will be delivered within the same system, but we have the concepts called roles team that I will start tomorrow. Which user should access which product related activities will be decided based upon the roles tagged to him. So team, here I want to make you clear is whenever any company buy the product from Oracle, what all products that they are licensing, all of them will delivered within the same URL in the same instance. Why I am telling this is now this watch list concept is more related to supply chain and finance related product team. It's not HCM related. You can ignore that. To tell you that I am giving you a clarity about this one team. Okay. So be clear with that. It's a very basic thing only, but everyone should have knowledge of this. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we have
Kumar?
here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
One question, Kumar. So when they are licensing, when the company buys the Oracle product and
Mm,
individual licensing has been taken, so
mm,
that payment will be varying with respect to the particular module, right? Finance,
correct.
SCM. For example,
Correct.
if my company needed only HCM, HR,
Mm.
and I need finance
Varies.
only, that will be with respect to that modules only, right?
Correct. Correct. Whatever we have the offerings topic. Actually, that is lined up topic. Here we have. That we will be touching base on day after tomorrow. Actually, offerings we have one concept. So the cost calculation, what you are telling is correct. What product our client licensed, within that also what modules our client licensed with, and number of users that they are licensing. The cost calculation will be based on that. Okay.
By default, do we have any limit like, when we buy, we get this number of users in the
We have that. I mean,
oh,
like Oracle selling that in different slabs, up to 500 users, one rate, then 1500 users, one rate. They have different rate cards that every time they will switch. Every quarter they will change the price changes.
what is the minimum number of users we need to buy? What
And
Oracle is offering?
there is nothing like that. That's all depends upon the sales and you how you are pitching them for the sale. Means
Oh,
earlier Oracle made a benchmark 5 6 years back, but like minimum 1,000 users or 1,500 users we used to have. But today that is not the case. Market is very competitive. If you have 500 users also, they are ready to give. The only thing is the customization is available everything now. But
oh,
that's all depends upon the sales and your company how they are discussing and they are finalizing. There is nothing like fixedly minimum they have to take like this. No.
okay, thank you.
So we were talking about this watch list team. So this is nothing to do with our HCM. You can ignore that. Next we have bell icon. What is this bell icon team? This is notifications bell icon. I told you whenever I am mentioning about the course curriculum team, there is one module in the system called workflows and approvals to us. Means what? Across the other modules, core HR, absence, payroll, talent, whenever several transactions happening in the system, we can send that for an approval. For example, team, your client having a requirement that Kumar in core HR module, whenever my HR is hiring a new employee, I want that transaction to trigger for concerned manager for approval, Kumar. Or in absence module, Kumar, whenever my employee applied the leave in the system, it should go for concerned manager for approval, Kumar. So we can design workflows and approvals for all the transaction in all these modules team. For that, we have a separate module in place. Generally, HR or the manager cadre people will be receiving the notifications in their bell icon here. So if anything that they have to approve or they have to reject, the decision is pending on them. So all approvals they can check in their bell icon team. Notifications bell icon is related to that. So when we come to workflows and approvals, we can see these are related to team chat buttons. We have a help desk module that we have an advanced tool, communicate and help desk. These icons are related to that team. Then if you come to the right side, settings and action. So this is your user details team. HI means what? This is my first name. This is my last name. Okay. first letter from the first name, first letter from the last name, HI. Generally here you can upload your picture also, that I will tell you in Core HR module how to do. So once you click on your user details here team, this will be your settings and actions button. So every day after the work, if you want to log out of the system, you have the sign out button. See, you can able to sign out from the application here. Then we have few things to talk here team on the main home screen functionalities when we discussing. Personalization, accessibility settings. If you go here team, you can able to configure your accessibility settings like default mode. In our mobiles also we have team. If you go to settings button and if you go to, excuse me, if you go to settings button and if you go to advanced settings and accessibility settings team, default mode, screen reader mode, color contrast means how the application team. If you go to screen reader and if I save team, application will come in enlarged zoom in view. For the people with high sight something, we have this functionality team. Color contrast, how you want the application. These are basic things you can also explore later on team. Here the actual thing we have to talk. When you come to the settings and action button, set preferences. Under personalization, go to set preferences team. Here we can set some preferences in the application like general preferences. If I come to regional, some settings of the application I can do here. Like your client belong to which country. Okay. You can select our client country. Okay. Then team, date format, time format, number format. What are these things? Throughout the Fusion system, wherever the fields related to date are coming up, what is their layout should come. I'll show you with an example team. Let me duplicate the tab. See, as it is a cloud application, the best part is you can work simultaneously on different screens in the application team. How you know? Keep the cursor here, click on the right side mouse button, duplicate. One more tab will open here team. Remove after .com everything. Come here. Now see team, what is this date format? Here I have something as of now. Date, month, year. Now see, in the Fusion system, any screen you go, wherever you see the date formatted fields are there. For example, if I come to some screen team, any screen you go randomly, I'm coming to my client group, new person, and some hired employee screen, I'm coming. On every page, we have different fields in the Fusion system. For example, if you see this team, this is a date formatted field. Means in this type of field, dates data we are going to capture. I have here, then date of birth, date formatted field. What is the format we have team? DDMMYY, correct? DD, date, month, year. From where it is coming team that one? See now, if I come here and if I switch that team, somewhere I'm switching it to different format here. Something like that YYYYMMDD. Some format I'm changing here team. Date format as YYYYMMDD. Save. Save and close. Now see team in the regional level. Date for. Why it is not saving? Okay. Now I switched the format to YYYYMMDD. Now see team, as of now the date's coming like this, right? Let me refresh the screen and come in because parallelly we are working on in the system. Now when I come here, see the date format change it team. Earlier the layout was different. Earlier date, month, year coming. Now see YYYY, year, DD. Here also see team YYYY Whenever I capture any date related field, the format will come with that team. Why? That has been decided here. Date format means it's not about hire an employee screen. Throughout the system, any screen you take, wherever date related fields are there, how the format of the field should be, that decided here team in the preferences tab. See, now I given YYYYMMDD. I will change to some other format team here. Vaishnavi, I'll come to you just 5 minutes. Next, I'll change to some other screen here, team. Here I'm changing it to MMDDYYYY. I have some other option I'm changing. Save and close. Okay. Now I changed it, team. Correct? What I changed MMDDYYY. Now see, let me refresh. See the format of that field now. When I come here, format change it. MMDDYYYY. See? Now when I capture the date attribute here, the details will come in that format. So this format, how you want, you can decide. In some of the screens team, time formats field will be there. What format of that field will be? Or in some screens, in payroll module, compensation module, number related fields will be there. Salary details capturing. So after decimals, how many points you want. So this is number format team. So date format field, time format fields, number format fields. What is the format that you are going to decide throughout the system that will be applicable team? Then currency, as the territory we are giving as India, we are giving Indian rupee team. See, some of you might get a question, Kumar, my client have their companies in different countries, Kumar. In India they have, in US they have, in UK they have their companies. And they bought Oracle Fusion system. Obviously, for all the companies, same application will be used. Then how, Kumar? Generally here team, the head office, your kind might be belonged to some country, the head office belonged to. That details we will be taking up as benchmark team. Whether your client belonged to India, US or whatever the country, that we have to give here team. Okay. Here we have to give team. So territory, date format, time format, number format, currency, time zone. Okay, these things team. These things you have to be very carefully given. So whenever we are changing it team, there will be an impact for others also. Okay. So it will generally apply for all the people in the system team. We have for that also profile option concept only that is applicable to your user and all. But by default in the system, whatever the changes we do, that will applicable to all people. So generally in the real time, these all are one-time setupable concepts team. Once we do that initially, no one will touch them. So that is regional preferences setting up in the system. Then language. See, while you logging into the system, we have the option to select the language team. For example, while logging in, you have not changed your language. With English only you logged in. Now you want to switch that. After logging in, you can come to preferences, change the language. This is particularly to your user only, not for everyone in the system using the application team. Now, if I want to change the language, I'm changing it to Finnish. All the three things change, save and close. Now see, application is loading. The entire application will change to Finnish. See, and everything changed to Finnish. See, team? So while logging in, if you have not given the language, after logging in, see good morning, change it to Finnish language, some Haiva, Humanta, something coming here, see? And every application, see, change it to Finnish language. So you can switch the preference from here also. Now let me come here. Now let me go to language. So I am familiar with this. Directly I'm coming and I'm selecting team. So American English, put it back. Language. Now here, going forward, whenever you log in, if you want your photo should display, then my photo option is there team. You can come to my photo and here you can upload your photograph team. Any passport size photo of yours you have. If you upload that and save and close, going forward, whenever you log in, here in the place of your HI or first letter from first name, first letter from last name, your personal picture will come if you upload that. That is my photo. Accessibility settings team, same. Whatever that we have here under personalization, same within the preferences also we have that team. Then password. So if the user, as a user, if you want to reset your password and all team, you can able to go to the password button and you can reset your password here team. So there is a role related restriction happen in this demo instance. That's why it's not coming. Generally here it will come team. You can give your current password and then you can give your new password and you can change it. Watch list, same. Here whatever we have that embedded here team. Remaining financials, cloud, service, knowledge, these are not required team. These are related to other product areas. From HCM point of view, these things we can talk about. They are far sufficient to us. So when we log in into the system, if we come to settings and action team, these things we will be talking here. Then we have administration work area. So these things team, we will be coming in our next up talking about these things will come in our next sessions. Edit pages, global page template. These are related to our sandbox team. We have a concept here called customizations and personalizations team. For example, if your client asking Kumar in the place of vision, I want my company logo to come Kumar, or this background blue color, I want the entire application to be red and white combination Kumar, or some renaming of this style I don't want this to be coming as my client group. Anything, page level customizations if you want to do, we have a separate module called customization and personalization team. General pages we will do here, classic and responsive. Redwood pages we will do in Visual Builder Studio. But generally, these two, edit pages, global page template, are related to that sandbox module. So when we come to that module, I will let you know what are these things, team. Even these configurations also, these three. Then flex field setup and maintenance also in the next coming classes we can see, team. Here we have about this application. If you want to check out what is the version of this application, team. If you go to about this application, you can see 26A release, release 13. If you want to check out anytime, whatever the application you are using, the version of that, in the settings and action, you can come here, team. Then if you go to applications help, see on Saturday, I introduced to you Oracle Knowledge Repository. I mean to say, if you want to access Oracle delivered standard material, you have to go to docs.oracle.com and you have to find, I told you. Within the Fusion application also, Oracle embedded its hyperlink team. So if you come to settings and action, if you go to applications help, click on it. Directly, it will take you to docs.oracle.com page. So human capital management you can select and you can access your documents here, team, for human capital management. So human resources, see all books, see the implementation guides and all. So docs.oracle.com, you can directly search in the internet, or from the settings and action also, you can come to this applications help team. Remaining things, run diagnostic test, hide help icons, these all things in our upcoming classes, you will get them. They are the separate topics we have, team. So this is about, team, the main home screen functionalities of the Fusion application. If you scroll down, under your springboard area, if I scroll down the page, team, okay, we have things to finish. Generally, any manager or a HR cadre people, when they log in into the system, I told you all the approvals will come in the bell icon, the notifications team. Whatever the approvals that they receive in the bell icon, they can also find them here also. If they scroll down, team, in things to finish also, they can able to see the notifications area here. Then news and announcement section will be their, team. What is this? See, if your client company, if they want to publish any news to their employees team, for example, any announcement, like let's suppose some bonus they announced a team for the month of March, they want to send this message to everyone. We have a concept called alert composer, something like that. Through emails, if you want to send, it's a different story. But whenever the user login in the system, on the main login screen, they want to have this a pop-up team. News and announcement concept we have in the system. So in the back end, once you publish the news, in the front end for every user in the system, when they log in, the articles will come. The news is any news they want to share or any articles they want to share, something to their employees, the company want to share, team. So here they can. So if an employee click on it, team, what is that announcement is about, any information they given, that all they can check out. So this is something on the main home screen. Everyday employee, once they scroll down, they can check any news that company related have been shared to them. That all they can able to check out team. It's not about only bonus. Anything they want to share team. Any decisions about the company they want to intimate to the employees. Within the application, they will publish in the back end. So in the front end, whenever employee log in, they can able to see that news or announcement in that section team. So these are the things that we can talk in the main home screen in the Fusion application team. So this is how the look and feel of the Fusion application will be. Okay. Now, intro about the application. That's what we planned for today. We covered team. Next topic that we are going to start in tomorrow's session will be team. Security administration in the Fusion system. So this will be the very first module as part of our training we are going to start. Why, Kumar, we have to start with security administration? What we will discuss in this module? Let me give you a brief intro about that now. Configuration we will see tomorrow. See, in security administration module, we will be dealing with user creation part and access management. Means what? How in the Fusion application, new user accounts will be created. How the access to the application when the user login, to what all functionalities the user should able to access, that all we will handle in security administration module team. Because why we start with this module is team, when we go for the project implementation in the real time, we have to know how our user accounts to the client application will be created. How our user accounts, because in order to work on Fusion system, we all require user accounts team. So when we go for the project implementation in the real time, how to get our user creation done, how our user accounts will be created for the client application, we have to know team. So that is the reason first I will start with security module, because the very first interaction with the client, once after the formal meetings, introduction with each other, to start the work, first what we require, the application access. For all of our team members, the client application access we require. How that will be taken from the client, that I will start in the security module team. So we'll take up that topic in tomorrow's session team. So any questions as such in today's topic, online people? But before taking the questions, just give me 1 minute, which I want to share. Already on Saturday, I shared this to you. Again, I am telling, because some people have not added in the WhatsApp community yet. I have observed. Two things I told you, every one of you get yourself confirmed. Whether you received email related to the learning portal or not. It's very serious team. If you are not getting this access, you are not connected with me or with TrioTech. Somewhere you are lost. You paid the fee, but you are not getting all the required things. I request everyone in the call, please take this and confirm from your end as well, whether you received the learning portal access or not. Because today onwards, I'm telling you strictly, no video will be published in the, I mean, share it to you in the YouTube or given to your team. You will be getting daily classes in the website only. So whether your learning portal created or not, verify. If it gets created team, you will be getting an email from our TrioTech. Please check in your spam folder and every day log in from your live classes and get your classes watched from here team. This is number one. Within that email only, we have given WhatsApp button also. I mean to say, in order to join the WhatsApp community for this new batch, a link for that also we given in that email only team. When you receive the email, just only don't focus on the learning portal account details and all. There we clearly mentioned, please click the below link to join the community. Please click on it. You will be able to join into the community, because starting from tomorrow, anything that I want to communicate with you people, I am going to share the documents for the materials, everything. Anything that I want to discuss, team, community only preferably I will use, because it will be one point of contact for me with every one of you. If you are not in that community, you won't get the information from me. It might be a class schedule. Let's say one day I want to give a break for assignments to you. I have to communicate to you, right? So that community will be there between you and me. If you are not in that community, what's happening, you won't understand. You will join the class by 8 o'clock, meeting will not start because there is no class that day, but you have not informed with that. So I request everyone, please check out yourself. If you haven't received any link in the community link in the email, please check with the admin team immediately and get it resolved today itself.
Hello,
These
sir.
two things, please check it out from your end. Yes,
Hel-
Mohammed.
Yeah, I joined the community a bit late, so I cannot see the
Ah,
previous messages. Can you
they will
repost
reshare.
them?
They will repost it today, no
Yeah,
problem.
okay. Thank you. That's what I want to
For
say.
next 1 2 days, it will be repetitively reposted because people will join lately, so that
Okay.
it will be done. No problem.
Thank you.
No problem. Vaishnavi, there is some question I have seen. I told you to hold for some time. Any question, Vaishnavi? Are you there, Vaishnavi? Hello. Okay, any other questions in today's topic, team? Intro to application.
Hi Kumar, Bharat this side.
Hi, Bharat.
In setting, you mentioned that regional language. I like that, right?
Mm.
If we change that, we have to follow the customer rules, right? For that date and
Correct.
time.
Correct. It's
So,
not our decision. It's all
yeah,
customer
okay.
things only. Yeah.
If we, yeah, that's it. That's my question, Kumar. Thank you.
Customer only. Yeah. Vijay Bhaskar, any question? Gupta.
Yeah, Kumar,
Yeah.
in this, my question was about the icons which are there.
Mm.
I think in our lab thing which we got access, one or two are missing. Is that
No, this is the same instance. What you have got in the community, that only I'm using UBG test, the same one.
yeah. Because I logged in, I think after first search home favorites and after the
Watch list. Mm.
notifications you have user profile also, right?
This one
Yeah,
you're
this one.
asking.
No, not that one. The one, the third one. Yeah,
This
yeah,
one.
yeah, yeah.
This one
This,
you're asking.
yeah, yeah. What is that? I think I can't see
These
that
are
in my.
chat boards for a help desk and communicate module.
Okay.
Yeah, this is
Is this
actually
related to browser or it's
no. It's by default will come whenever you log in. You try to log in, you will get no problem.
okay? I can't see that in my this test login which we got.
Ah,
HCM lab, we got access for HCM lab, right? There we don't see.
okay. HCM.lab you are using. Okay,
Yeah,
fine,
yeah.
fine. That's because of some privileges missing to that access. I'll inform
Oh,
the team. They will add no problem.
okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Gupta, any question?
Kumar, one question, Kumar. In the Saturday class, you are specifically telling about the documents and the material.
Mm.
So
Mm.
it will
I will
be,
share that, Venkat.
yeah,
Yeah.
that will be in the same learning portal where we go for this
No. Documents you will get in the WhatsApp community. See, what I will do is, for every batch, I will share it module by module, because entirely everything, if we share also, it will be confusion to you. Step by step, we will go. Now, today, what I will do is first set of material for our security module and for our core HR module together. I will share you the document to you today. So everyday classes for next 20 days, whatever I'm going to plan, that documented is there. I mean, that already documented in that PDF you will get today.
Okay. Whatever you specifically say regarding the interview questions or the
That
specific
you will
topic,
be
that will
getting.
be there.
Yeah, that's what. Once we complete the core HR, core HR set of complete assignment, interview question and answers, everything you will get like that.
Oh,
Yeah. Right, team. Then I will conclude here for today. Let's join back tomorrow and we'll continue with our further discussion. Thank you. Thank you, everyone, team.